Okay, Bulavinak, everyone. As you can see, I'm sharing my screen there, and there's a song that's becoming very popular in Fiji. Also, I can see from the comment section around the Pacific as well, and beyond that, it's Andi Malevani by the Kaunialo, a group from my island in Vanuatu. So the song is about a group of friends shared who share blood bonds related, and they are working as seasonal workers in Australia. So the song is composed story about them and their work there and their relation to each other. So here is the lyrics translation. Try to do what I can. Hopefully, this can add a bit more enjoyment to your to the listening to the song by yourself. Because as I can see from the comments, some have said that they really enjoyed the tune, they enjoy the composition, but they don't understand what is being sung about. So this is all for you. So here we go. There's my cursor prompt. I'll just read out the Fijian first of all, and then the English translation. So there's Andi Malevani, Sepatoni Lei, then the lady Melbourne from Shepparton. Shepparton is must be a suburb or a small town outside of Melbourne. Okay, Lady Melbourne from Shepparton and Lomé Australia in Australia. Dambengalu Nambuda Ruin Rokan Roka, resting quietly by green meadows. Ndau Tangivalo Nave Matakavo. Each new morning I quietly anticipate the Lotia on when in heavenly dew I bathe. Bath. Eviri aloloma ni Lotia on so enchanting when I'm drenched in morning dew. So obviously must be referring to waking up early in the morning to go and work in the farms or whatever work they're doing outside. Yo nandito nito company. We belong to different companies. Kanileo vitu wale mulinga. There are 7 of us. Na kengui sema mbulantina vakanra. We are bonded through blood ties. They had a bit of a difficulty figuring this out now because this was the lyrics according to how it showed up on their video. Okay, okay. When I see this deep bond, and our relationship to each other, it fills me with a deep sense of gratitude and warms my heart. So then the names of the friends, is now revealed. Say Tandeo Wangalevu, that's one of them. Tandeo Wangalevu, Camilo Nadeno, that's another one. So together we are Sai Tandeo Wangalevu, Camilo Nadeno, Itione Matani New, Tyron Varasiko. So as the names are being revealed on the YouTube video of the song, you see the person bearing the name also is there with his name. So Sai Griffith, New South Wales, Ratu Tikukina. These ones reside in Griffith, New South Wales. My Brisbane, Epeli Raisi CV. But Epeli Raisi CV, that's another one of them, lives in Brisbane. What a big place. Australia. This Australia is. Yeah, what a big place this Australia is. Thinking also of these two, Cyrilo Walituru, Manua Lysenia. So that brings up the total to the, I guess it's the 7 of them, the names of the other two. So, sa ira to Ndinango, na boy ni Heights and Dau Kilai. All of these are known as boys from the height. I think it must be referring back to the village where they come from, and there's a hill or mountain maybe where they have where they reside as they work their plantation. It's up on the heights. So all of these are known as boys from the height. Emosin di nakalutiao, how dear they are to my heart. Loloma Sabu and the Malevani, sending lots of love from Lady Melbourne. The DVK the cow, we in the cow, short form of the Kaunrobe, which is a province in Fiji from which all these come from. We in the cow are known, Vanoni Marau are known as happy people. My Tunoloa e Karoko and Daukilai, and best wishes from Tunoloa Karoko, na Korondina nei Gebi La Sangalei, the village of Gebi La Sangalei. So best wishes from Tunoloa Karoko, the village of Gebi La Sanga. Right, there you go. So yeah, that shed a little bit of insight into the song. Hopefully that helped a little bit, eh? Please comment in the comment section if you like this. If there are any other song that you would like translated, something similar to this, yeah, leave a comment in the comment section and like and subscribe. Naka, Mode.